Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. Fourth, we will set colors and backgrounds. Styles and colors are additional properties that can be extracted into resources. All views can have backgrounds that can be colors or images. Why? Because extracting styles and colors makes it easy to use them consistently throughout the app and straightforward to change across all UI elements. Experiment with the following changes. Add the text size to the show count text view. SP stands for scale independent pixel and like DP is a unit that scales with the screen density and user's font size preference. It is recommended you use this unit when specifying font sizes so they will be adjusted for both the screen density and the user's preference. Extract the text size of the text view as a dimension resource named count_text_size as follows. Click the text tab to show the XML code if you haven't already done so. Place the cursor on 160 SP. Press Alt Enter. Option Enter on the Mac. Click the extract dimension resource. Set the resource name to count_text_size and click OK. If you make a mistake, you can undo the change with Ctrl Z. In the project view, navigate to values/dimensions.xml to find your dimensions. The dimensions.xml file applies to all devices. The dimensions.xml file for W820dp applies only to devices that are wider than 820 dp. Add the text style of the show count text view to bold. Add the text color in the show count text view to primary color of the theme. Look at the colors.xml resource file to see how they are defined. The color primary is one of the predefined theme base colors and is used for the app bar. For example, in a production app, you could customize this to fit your brand. Using these base colors for other UI elements creates a uniform UI. Change the color of both the buttons to primary color of the theme. Change the color of the text in both buttons to white. White is one of the colors provided as an Android platform resource. Add a background color to the text view. Place your mouse cursor over this color and press Alt Enter, Option Enter on the Mac. Select Choose Color, which brings up the color picker. Pick a color you like or go with the current yellow, then click Choose. Open values/colors.xml. Notice that color primary that you used earlier is defined here. Using the colors in values/colors.xml as an example, add a resource named myBackgroundColor for your background color and then use it to set the background of the text view. Next we will set gravity and weight. Specifying gravity and weight properties gives you additional control over arranging views and content in linear layout. First, the Android layout gravity attribute specifies how a view is aligned within its parent view. Because the views match their parent in width, it is not necessary to set this explicitly. You can center a view that is narrow horizontally in its parent. Android layout gravity is equal to center horizontal. Second, the Android layout weight attribute specifies how much of the extra space in the linear layout will be allocated to the views that have this parameter set. If one view has this attribute, it gets all the extra screen estate. For multiple views, the space is prorated. For example, if the buttons have a weight of 1 and the text view 2, totaling 4, the buttons get 1/4 of the space each and the text view half. Third, the Android gravity attribute specifies the alignment of the content of a view within the view itself. The counter is centered in its view with Android gravity is equal to center. Center the text in the show count text view horizontally and vertically. Make the show count text view adjust to the size of the screen. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next part. Keep watching Back to Coding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.